Facing the frustrating Kali Linux installation failed error can completely stop your progress. I understand this struggle firsthand, having spent considerable time testing various solutions myself. Finally, I discovered several effective approaches and I am ready to guide you through them now. This video will provide a comprehensive guide to fix Kali Linux installation failed error step-by-step for 2026. First, we tackle issues with your installation drive itself. Sometimes the initial download of Kali or the way it's put onto your USB stick can be faulty. This leads to broken files that the installer just can't read, causing everything to stop. Ensuring your installation source is perfect is like making sure you have all the right tools before starting a big project. Next, we look at your computer's basic settings and hardware. Things like your computer's boot security or not having enough memory can stop Kali from even starting up. We make sure your computer is ready and welcoming for the new operating system. After that, we focus on your hard drive. If the hard drive isn't set up just right, Kali won't know where to put its files, leading to big problems. We ensure the disk is properly prepared, like clearing a space for a new house. Finally, we address network issues. Kali often needs to download extra parts from the internet during install. If your connection is bad or the download stops, the installation will fail. We make sure Kali can get all its necessary pieces without interruption. These steps cover the main reasons why Kali Linux installations go wrong, helping you get your system running smoothly.